Let me start off by saying I'm a amateur quilter, and I know that in the past I have used YouTube to learn how to sew and do different things. I'm not the most experienced quilter. I have taken a few little classes here and there, but mainly I stick to the 9 patches like this one. I'm trying to get the best view of the picture. And so to start off, to making a 9 patch, you have to take some fabric, 2 fabrics. I have a tote full of 2.5 by 2.5 squares that I have cut up through the years that I use for my quilting. And I'm not going to talk over the sewing. I'm not going to talk over the sewing because you won't be able to hear me. So here goes. So I'm going to take random pieces, like this is totally random, and you just continue on. This way it saves on thread by just keeping, it's like an assembly line. So you line up your foot, your sewing foot, and you just sew the 2x2s face to face. So after that, you have a string of 2x2s. There's 2 and there's 2. And here's some other ones that I've ironed that I have ironed together so that I can make it a little easier and the video a little shorter. So to add to the 2x2, you would take another square, which this one is totally random. So I'm going to be putting those 2 together, and you just continue your assembly line, lining them up. I have found that my videos, most of my videos that people watch are on my quilting, so that's why I'm continuing with the quilting. And I hope to get a few subscribers because it makes it more fun where I get to talk to other quilters. So then you have a 3 patch, and I have this one already as a 9 patch. I mean, it would be a 6 patch. So you line these up, fabric front to fabric front, and you would mark your 1/4 inch seam allowance. I have only taken 1 course in quilting. I've learned everything I know from YouTube. So now we have a 6 patch. So I would iron this out, and then this is what it comes out to look like. A 9 patch is totally random, and I could put this with that in my next one, or I could start another one with this one. This is cute little baseball fabric, and I have this cute little moose fabric. I thought that was so cute. And so this is how the patch would look like when the 9 patch is done. And I want to show you my quilt that I made that quite a few years ago, that was all 9 patches, and it has turned out to be a queen size quilt. And I'll show you I'll show you that right now. As you can see, it is huge and it is totally random, and I really love it. It's in our spare room, and I haven't done any videos on my hexagon quilting that I would like to give a tutorial on how that comes out. But so I'm going to go back over here and show you the 9 patch we have created, and I hope you would subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate the comments, any comments that people have, and have a good day.